Buddy, let's be real. Not every mechanic is honest. Some shops make you pay for things your car doesn't even need. From fake part replacements to urgent repairs that aren't real. It's a real issue. But once you know the tricks, you'll never get scammed again. Let's expose the 9 most common ones so you can protect your wallet and your ride. Segment 2. The big picture. According to Consumer Reports, auto repair scams cost drivers billions yearly. And the worst part? Many never find out they were scammed. The key is knowledge, understanding what your car actually needs, because an informed driver is a mechanic's worst nightmare. Let's start with the first and most common scam. Segment 3. Scam number 1, the dirty air filter. Trick: some mechanics show you a slightly dusty filter and say, "It's bad, replace it now." But air filters can look gray and still work perfectly. The truth? Most need changing every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Check your owner's manual, not their advice. Next, a scam that hits your wallet even harder, the fluid flush hustle. Segment 4. Scam. Number 2. Unnecessary fluid flush. Transmission, brake, coolant. Mechanics love selling flushes, but modern cars often don't need them as often as they say. If your manual doesn't list it, skip it. You're paying for a service your car doesn't need. Let's move on to one that preys on fear. Fake oil leaks. Some shops pour oil around the gasket, then find a leak. They'll warn you it's dangerous and must be fixed immediately. Always ask to see the source while the car's lifted. A real leak is easy to spot. Fake ones drip clean and fresh. Up next, we'll pause for something important: your mindset. Segment 6. Motivasi. Number 1. Knowledge is power, brother. When you understand the basics, you stop being an easy target. Your confidence saves money, time, and stress. Now, let's talk about one of the most expensive scams of all. Scam number 4. Replacing parts that aren't broken. Some mechanics replace parts that still work just fine, like alternators or sensors.
It's about to fail soon.
But unless there's a clear test result, don't approve it. Ask for proof, or a second opinion. Next, a sneaky one that hides in your bill. Segment 8. Scam number 5. Hidden fees and shop charges. Watch out for vague fees like shop materials or environmental service. Some are legitimate, but others are inflated. Ask for a breakdown before paying. Transparency is your right as a customer. Now, let's tackle another: the premium oil push. Segment 9. Scam. Sucker 6. Expensive oil upgrade. Some shops convince you to use special oil your car doesn't need. If your engine runs fine on regular synthetic, don't switch. Always match what's written in your owner's manual. It's your car, not their experiment. Up next, a scam that happens right at the counter. Segment 10. Scam number 7. Your brakes are almost gone. This one scares a lot of people. Mechanics claim your brakes are dangerously thin, even when they're not. Ask them to show the pads and measure the thickness. Brake pads usually need replacing under 3 mm. If it's thicker, you're fine. Now let's refuel your motivation for smart ownership. Segment 11. Motivasi sirentu. Buddy, never forget, you're the customer, not the victim. You have the right to ask, to question, to verify. Good mechanics will respect that. Bad ones will try to rush you. Let's expose another favorite: fake diagnostic charges. Segment 12. Scam. Number 8. Fake diagnostic fee. Some shops charge you for advanced diagnostics, but only use a basic scanner. You can buy the same scanner online for a fraction of the cost. If they don't show you the code, don't pay for it. Ask what tests they ran and what the result means. Next, the 9th and final scam: the old parts trick. Segment 13. Scam number 9. Keeping your old parts. When you pay for replacements, the mechanic should return your old parts. Some keep them and never change anything. Always ask for your old part back. It proves the job was done. It's your right and your proof. Now, let's turn all this into power. Segment 14. Empowerment. Tips. Always ask for a written estimate before any repair. Compare quotes from 2 shops. Check reviews online before visiting. Build a relationship with one trusted mechanic. Consistency builds trust. And speaking of trust, here's your next mindset boost. Segment 15. Motivasi, Fargr 3. Smart drivers protect themselves through curiosity. Never be afraid to ask questions. A good mechanic educates you, not intimidates you. That's how respect on both sides grows. Let's summarize everything clearly, brother. Segment 16. Recap. We covered 9 scams: fake filters, false leaks, unnecessary parts, overpriced oil, and hidden charges. Each one preys on drivers who don't double-check. But now you know what to look for. Awareness is your armor, and it costs nothing. Segment 17. Practical routine. Each time you visit a mechanic, remember this checklist. Ask for proof of the issue. Demand written consent before added services. Keep all receipts and parts. This simple habit keeps you safe every time. Now, let's close strong. Buddy, you deserve honesty. Cars already cost enough. Don't pay extra for lies. Trust your instincts and protect your hard-earned money. Be a driver who knows, not one who guesses, and keep learning every ride. If you've ever faced a mechanic scam, share your story below. Your experience can save someone else's wallet. Like, share, and subscribe for more honest car wisdom. Together, we make car ownership smarter. This video shares general advice for car owners. Always verify with a certified mechanic before any major repair. And if you have health sensitivities around oils or chemicals, consult professionals first. Stay alert, stay safe,